Best flower broom. Number 5. Zhureni BR01 Rooster Broom Full Jhadu. Approx price 198 rupees. Grass broom. Heavy duty material. Wide reach. Clean all type of surfaces. Number 4. Chand Suraj pack of 2 strong grass broomstick. Approx price 488 rupees. Natural grass broomstick with stainless steel handle. Less duster. Eco-friendly and biodegradable. Wide reach. Lasts long. Number 3. Spot Zero by Milton Zero Dust Flower Broom. Approx price 142.04 rupees. Material plastic and fiber plastic. Item dimension 95 by 44 by 890 mm. Works on both wet and dry surface. Zero dust broom is washable. 3x more durable than a normal grass broom. Number 2. Gala No Dust Floor Broom XL. Approx price 189 rupees. Gala No Dust Floor Broom won't shed dust on first use. Broom with long handle. Washable broom. Lightweight and easy to move. Number 1. Scotch Bright No Dust Broom. Long handle. Approx price 325 rupees. Material plastic fiber. Scotch Bright broom is flexible and reaches corner. Flat fiber for fine dust removal. Water resistant. Remove handle for use as a duster. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel.